So it's by the side of the bed, your preference on oil or a balm. I like the Neroli Amara Night Balm. And the reason I like this is because it makes me work hard. The texture is much thicker and much stronger. So you really have to work it into your skin. So use it by applying it onto the palms of the hands. You want to warm it up just to make it slide slightly more for you. We're going to do a few movements. We're going to apply it onto the skin, delivering the product, pressing into the skin, down the neck, and then from the shoulder, drawing all the way to the opposite shoulder. So you're getting the top of the chest area as well. Then we're going to start from the center of our face, working outwards and upwards. So like a prayer, starting from the nose, sweeping slowly and deeply. And as we're sweeping out towards the sides of the face, encouraging the natural lift of the muscle tissue, we're breathing slowly. So we're breathing in the essential oils. We're calming the mind, calming the body, and allowing our system just to slow down. Lots of pressure. Take the heels of the palms of the hand as you're sweeping and push them under the cheekbones. Get your first two fingers, palms out. And remember, you're really supported. You're in bed, you're comfortable. You use these two fingers and you're sweeping all the way along the jawline. What you're doing here is you're addressing the muscles that sit along the jawbone. Now, I normally do it for 16 movements each side. You really start to get a flow with it. Once you've done that, then you're going to bend the knuckles and do the same movement. Now, bending the knuckles allows you to go even deeper. You want to get as deep as you can, removing all those tension points, lifting the jawline, sculpting the jawline. Then you're going to use these fingers again, easiest tools you have. Find your cheekbone and you're going to make a V, flowing deeply and slowly all the way to the nose and right up to the sides. Following that cheekbone, you want to encourage a really deep contoured cheek area. Using the heels of the palms of the hands like a shelf, open your mouth very gently and apply the heels onto the cheekbone. So you've got your cheekbones on a shelf. And then drop your head into your hands. And you can feel the pressure all the way up the cheekbone. What you're doing here is allowing the muscle to sit in the position it wants to sit, up high. So sit like that for maybe 20 or 30 seconds. Then lift the face up, and as if you're opening a book, opening and closing a book, rolling under the cheekbones, again, just to help remove fluids, keep those muscles really fit and healthy. We're really looking for skin fitness here. Once we've done that, we're going to look at our eye area. Using these two fingers again, support the eye, the skin at the side of the eyes, very gently at the temples, taking your middle fingers, sweep in and out. What this also does is encourage the natural production of hyaluronic acid. Our body produces the most amount of concentrated hyaluronic acid around our eye areas to keep our eyeballs really healthy and moist. But the good knock-on effect of that is it delivers itself into the skin tissue. So we can really produce extra natural moisture in our eye area by doing this movement. So again, keeping the fingers on here, we've done our sweeping motion. We're going to go up onto the eyebrow, find the muscle, pushing lots of pressure, push all the way in and along that muscle. Sweeping under, all the way along that muscle. And you'll feel the tension along that muscle, and then you'll feel it removing. Everything becomes lighter and softer and more lifted. And we're done, ready for sleep.